2 days out from the season opener. The club has confirmed Jack Bird suffered a season-ending knee injury today, just 10 months after being struck down by the same injury to the same leg.
Jack Bird carried the ball, he was tackled by Tom Dearden and in the process has damaged his knee. Automatically he started screaming in pain, remembering that Jack Bird obviously over the last couple of years did a shoulder and a sternum, then last year an ACL in round 8 when they were taking on Manly. He's re-injured that knee. Now, what we can tell you is definitely he won't play this weekend. Absolutely horrific news for a great young bloke and a bloke that the club here at Brisbane have hold in huge regard. It's not only about Jack Bird as the footballer, it's Jack Bird as a young man. It's a really sad day for the club.
Some bad news for the Brisbane Broncos today. Jack Bird out for the season after tearing his ACL at training, and poor old Jack Bird, he has had a horrible run.
It's Jack Bird. What a winner he is.
Jack Bird, he just wants to get around the football, this fella. Jack Bird, what a player.
I said before the game, this young man will back himself. He is not one to shy away from a challenge. And in the dying stages where his team needed something special, he said, give it to me. I'll get you there.
Talk about being scared at the end. Did you think your night was over when you hurt your elbow?
Oh, mate, nothing's going to ruin my night, mate. I mean, I thought it was broken, to be honest, and I was going to just keep playing. You know, nothing stopped me playing the grand final. I'll do anything for these boys, and, you know, I just had to stick strong and stick to it. And, mate, I was thinking about coming off, but I just didn't want to.
I had surgery 3 weeks ago, so I've been doing rehab ever since I put out of surgery. Been taking physios every day. Been coming into training, just being around the boys. You know, trying not to get too lonely, but yeah, everything's going well.
Bird, he's got good speed, this kid, and one thing he doesn't lack is confidence.
I'll tell you something about him in a moment. I made the comment. Well, here's a ball from Lewis down to Bird. Bird, Chilvasa Jack can't get him, and the youngster playing his first game in the 6th jumper, his second game of all time, scores the first try. Magnificent. Over the gallon, on it comes to Bird. Bird puts a kick in, looking for the fullback. Holmes is in. Valentine Holmes. He gets a perfect kick from the other youngster and runs it around for 4 points. Ball a metre out, this is the last. It's come back now for Bird. Bird, he's over the line. The 20-year-old has gone in to score his second. Jack Bird has got Cronulla over the line, you would think.
He likes to play 80 minutes, so it'll be interesting to see how Shane Flanagan uses Ben Barber tonight.
Jack Bird did well to get the ball back from Fafita, got it away on the outside. Latelli, he's down the touchline. Latelli, he's got support, back on the inside of Bird, he's in for another one. The ball came his way, and out of nothing, they score a try. The referee points to the spot.
Sammy Saluma plays it. Ennis tucks it around for Bird. Jack Bird goes over. The Sharks have the lead for the first time tonight.
Ennis back to Robson to Lewis. There's the little one inside. Yes, indeed. Yes, you know it's coming. They pulled it off again. The shape of the feeder. Back for Bird. Bird will try to kick. Bird will chase. It's easy. Something special happens every game around this kick.
Townsend, now Barber, straightening, it's Jack Bird. Jack Bird reaching out. Jack Bird thinks he scored. Barber to Bird. Jack Bird can't be stopped. This time the execution was perfect. To the Bakuya, now with Bird. Bird versus Kroger. Bird takes on Kroger. Jack Bird back inside to Bakuya. Ennis has possession. They go short again to Bird. And eventually Valentine Holmes counts off a perfect try for Cronulla. To Fafita, lays the pass off down to Bird. Jack Bird's got Lewis up the middle. And Luke Lewis, he's had a big day. Lewis scores the try. They're knocking on the door for 50.
Goes to Maloney. There were decoys hitting the deck all over the place. One of them was Townsend. Here's Bird trying to stay alive with it. Gets in
Here's the offload. Jack Bird untouched. Pops it out the back. Bakuya right out of Bird. They're causing major headaches in here. Jack Bird scores the cracker. He scores his second. And it's party time at Southern Cross Group Stadium.
Townsend, Barber, can they do it once more? Yes, they can! Jack Bird it is this time. It didn't need to go to Holmes.
It's a real strike in this Indigenous side, and Joel Thompson with a storming run. Thompson inside the 20. They come from behind to tackle him, and they won't because Bird has scored. His first touch in Indigenous colours.
Now it's out to Lou Blowers. Here's Bird channeling in. They're going over the Sharks. Beale it is. Jared Beale has scored.
Maloney strikes the attack up. Bird superb. Latelli, the defence was good, but not good enough.
He puts a step on Barnett. Moving in support. Jack Bird holds the pass. Now he pulls the trigger. Valentine Holmes goes the length of the field. Supported by Jack Bird.
Townsend thinks about it before Lewis gave it away to Bird, who gets over the line.
Maloney goes out the back. Brilliant play. Cronulla. Bird, look at him flying for the line, literally.
Give it a try.
That was so sharp from Cronulla. Out now, Lewis on, Bird, there's another one. Now the back line's got the box set.
Play on for the Sharks. It's 30-0, but it's Bright, and they will score their first try.
Through Townsend, he'll put a kick through. Beale chases, and so does Jack Bird.
Well, that is a huge turnaround.
Jack Bird, he's a footballer, that's for sure. Nice vision.
For McCulloch, here's Bird who passes, back at an angle, down low, doing the work. They are over through Jaden Sewer.
Milford, Boyd, Bird for the corner. This is it. Corey Oates has scored. Played it very quickly. Here's Milford now. Tapangai Jr. lurking out wide. Ball away to Bird. Here's Oates. He's in. They've scored first. Nicarima running onto it. Pass went away. Here's a chance for Corey Oates, who's gone over again. The run tries to keep it alive. It's off the boot of Boyd. Boyd running for it. Winnett goes back to mop it up. He's got the ball, and Boyd might have scored a try. 2 minutes on the clock. Milford out the back. Boyd numbers. Try. Where there's life, there's hope.
You know, I knew I was going to come back and prove some people wrong, and I'm just going to do the same thing now. So, you know, I just got to be professional and be positive. And like I said, I'll come out top.
I've been through it all before, so I know I can get through it again. My third ACL injury since I was 16. I've been in this situation before, so I know what I have to do to get myself out. That's why I know I can get back on top.
It's a tough one to take in, but you know I can't control any of that. That's out of my control. So
I sit here now and I just think, you know, I've got to do everything I can to change my luck and to make sure that this doesn't happen again.
I know I'll come back up on top, and I'll prove a lot of other people wrong as well.
It's such a shame, I think. Like, the Broncos just invested so much in Jack Bird. To watch him go to another club and do well would just make me cry.
All done now. Time to jump in the pool and do some more rehab. Just got to keep grinding away.